Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you at home. Let's see what we have on our bulletin board for this week. We have week 5 in modules, March 9th through the 15th, 2020. You have discussion 3, learning how to write a college level essay. Annotated outline, 120 points, 1,000 words. The essay is due March 15th, so it is due at the end of this week. Please submit it on time. And you have peer evaluations for the essay that you will write, and these peer evaluations are due March 22nd, and you have an MLA quiz. On our bulletin board, we have a GIF of SpongeBob, corny but accurate. Okay, Mr. Essay, I say prepare to be written. And that's important because some of the essays are being submitted late, so please submit the essay by March 15th. As always, we're preparing to write about our class topic. What is the cause or causes of low student success rates? And what is the solution or solutions to this problem? As always, I am here in inbox if you have any questions or concerns, or if you're going to submit a late essay and you have a valid emergency situation. Please come up here to the syllabus and let me review with you the late assignments policy and what the valid emergency situation is. It's all right here. All right, again, please submit your essay on time, as I've been having late submissions and that won't work. And let me remind you, it's due the 15th. And I am over here in inbox. I want your success. I care about your success. We can learn meaningful things in this class about how to write term papers and essays, not just for this class, but other classes, and these are real world skills. So let's work on this and submit this work by the due dates. And if you have any questions or concerns, I'm saying this for a third time, I'm right here and you're never bothering me. All right, I'm ready for the week. Are you?